Hey everyone, today we're going to be showing you how to set up your GoPro Hero 11 Black. If you just got your GoPro Hero 11 Black, we'll show you how to get started. So let's dive into it. So let's start out with putting our memory card and battery in this GoPro. So flip over your GoPro, and on the right hand side, when you're looking at it from the back, there is a little door here. You'll see a little lip here. If you pull that lip down, there's red inside there. So we're going to pull that down and the door will open here on the right hand side. Now this is where you're going to find the slot for your memory card. It's right there on the bottom side if you're looking at it from the back. Grab your memory card, and with the picture on your memory card facing up, you can slide it into that little slot. So it's right on the edge there. Slide it in, and this is spring-loaded as well. So you're going to want to push it in, and it should lodge itself right in the correct spot. If you do want to remove it, you'll give it a little push and it'll kind of pop back out. So give it a push and it'll click right into place. Go ahead and grab your Enduro battery that came with your GoPro Hero 11 Black, and with the little notch end sticking out there, have that facing towards the bottom of your camera. Go ahead and slide that in just like that. And you've got your memory card, you've got your battery. It's time to close the door here. So we're gonna grab the door, just push it down, and that spring-loaded portion is gonna pop out and then pop back in. You don't wanna see any red there. You want that to go back in so it is waterproof. From there, we'll go ahead and fire up our GoPro and set it up on our phone. All right, so I've got my GoPro all fired up here, and it wants to know what language I'd like to set it up in. I'm gonna pick English and just hit the little check mark here in the corner. It's gonna ask us to agree to the legal stuff. You can check that out on their website if you wanna look at that. Hit agree. It's gonna ask us if we would like to tag our footage with location, speed, altitude, and more. I like to have that on. And then it's gonna tell us we need to download the GoPro Quik App from our app store. So that is a free app that you can download from your app store. So go in there and search for the GoPro Quik App. I'm gonna go ahead and load that up. And it's gonna look something like this. There are a few different options here at the bottom, and we're wanting to click the GoPro option here in the bottom right-hand corner. I'm gonna click on that. And for myself, I have a GoPro here. This is my GoPro 10. In the top right-hand corner, we can add a GoPro. You can see there's a little plus sign and a camera. If this is your first time adding a GoPro, it might have already found it for you. But if you've got another GoPro in there, you might need to hit the plus sign here in the corner. So we'll go ahead and click on that. And it's gonna start searching for my GoPro here. We'll give that a second. It says we found your GoPro. Let's get started and connect your GoPro to your phone. Go ahead and hit connect. Bluetooth pairing request, pair with GoPro. Go ahead and hit pair. It's connecting it. Connected. And we can change the name here if we like, so you can leave it as whatever the one is. I'm gonna change mine to, let's go ahead and put in something here. We'll change it to GoPro 11. Hit the check mark here. Save new name. Let's install your update. So it does need to be updated out of the box. Let's go ahead and hit continue. Welcome to Hero 11 Black. Continue to update. Update camera. Connecting to your camera's Wi-Fi. Your phone may ask permission to go access your GoPro. Hit connect. You need to accept the terms here. Transferring update to your camera. Be sure to leave your camera on and don't leave the app. Your GoPro will power off and on a few times. You can see it's downloading the update here. It's installing the update. You can see it says updating on the GoPro. Reconnecting to GoPro. Don't leave the app. And it says update complete on the screen. It's restarting. And on my phone, it says all set up. Your camera software was updated successfully. You now have access to the latest features. You can go ahead and hit OK there. Connect to the cloud. I'll do this later. And my GoPro is all ready to use and set up. And it's really that simple to set up your GoPro Hero 11 Black.